I'm Donald Chase from Macon County, Georgia. I'm here in a peanut field because we've just had the Georgia Peanut Tour at our farm. Always good to have a group here and always happy to show them a little bit of what we're doing. As a Georgia Peanut Commission board member, I'm chairman of the Peanut Research Committee, and so I'm always interested in the latest things that our university researchers are looking at and Extension is providing us information of. This year I've been using Peanut RX on a 4-spray program and see excellent disease control as I've seen for the last couple of years. I also follow the recommendations to spray at night for the last 3 sprays for soil-borne diseases, and again, happy with that, even though it keeps me up at night. That's kind of what we do here. Just glad the Peanut Tour stopped by.